friends, if you've ever cut out a rhinestone template and it looks like this, I'll show you a little trick on how to pretty much remove those circles real quick, fast, and easy. Okay, so here we go. We have some used backing that came off of vinyl. You know, you can use any type of the backing that comes off of vinyl. And what I do is I lay it on the floor, as you can see. I lay it on the floor sticky side down so that it's stuck to the floor. And then I put my rhinestone template on it sticky side down. And then I mask it on there real good. After I mask it on there real good, I pretty much find a corner. Grab the edge of the corner. Peel it up with my fingernail, like so. And then I pull back. Uh-oh. That part has to stay to the floor. But look at that. Y'all hear them popping out? Look at that. By God, look how clean it is. Hold on. I think it has pulled every stone out of that design. Every last one. Every last one. Go ahead. If you like this video, and if you definitely like this method, and you're going to try it next time you cut out rhinestone flock, definitely subscribe to this channel. You know, leave a comment down below if you tried it and it worked for you. Also, remember, smash that like button. Up, look. Missed one right there. Only one. I didn't have to sit there and pick it out. Pick out 500 circles or whatever, you know. Just one. And I got them out already. There we go. Boom. So remember, please like, comment, and subscribe on this video if this video definitely helped you. What I do is I lay it on some foam board. As you can see, I have a big piece of foam board here. And all I basically do is I take it. Hold on, I should have it set on the tripod, but hold on. Alright, y'all. So what I do is I take it, sticky side down. I find a nice good spot. I leave it beveled like this. And I just go down and let it lay on the board nicely. Next, I grab my scraper and I just squeeze it pretty much down to the board. Now, as you can see, that template is ready for me to pretty much brush the stones in. Brush the stones in nice and easy, like so. Watch this. Now I'm doing this with my left hand. Look at that. Oh, that's what I meant to get today. Another one of these brushes from Home Depot. Now if I switch it to my right hand, you know, I can pretty much cover this design. In no time. That's why I should have got another brush. Sometimes the stones be wanting to stick to the brush. I've had this brush for about 5 years. I should have got another. I just left Home Depot and forgot the brush. That was the main thing I went in there for. Ended up buying other stuff. That's crazy. But look at that, y'all. Tell me that doesn't look fabulous. Get in there. Boom.